Hey, hello guys, this is Karthik from executeautomation.com and this is part 2 of our Understanding Appium video series. And in this part, we're going to talk about Appium architecture. So before watching this part, I would request you to watch part 1 since this part is going to be a continuation of that part. So how is Appium built? And that is very important since before understanding what Appium is, we should understand how Appium is actually built. If we have a very good understanding of that, then we can easily understand how Appium actually works. Well, Appium is basically an HTTP server written in Node.js that creates and handles WebDriver sessions. Well, Node.js is a very famous programming language right now developed by one of the guy from Google. And Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast, scalable network applications. And Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it lightweight and efficient, perfect for data-intensive real-time applications that run across distributed devices. Well, this is just a theory about Node.js, but Node.js is really an awesome programming language. And most of your applications, which is built for mobile, are currently uses Node.js services like LinkedIn is one of the most easy example that I can tell you right now for Node.js. That's why LinkedIn is more faster than ever in mobile application right now. As Appium is an HTTP server, it performs pretty much same as a Selenium WebDriver server by receiving a request or command from client libraries. Well, client libraries are something which we'll discuss in the next slide. Well, just as of now, just remember that it receives the request or command from the client libraries and then it executes the command on the target devices or emulators. So the devices can be your real device like Apple iPhone or your Samsung Galaxy phone as well. It can be a real device or it can be a emulators or a simulators based on your Android or iOS operating system. Similarly, it responds with an HTTP response. So the response from these devices are going to be HTTP, and that's how the response is going to be. Well, Appium works as a client server architecture. So this is what is the actual architecture, working architecture of an Appium in a very simple sense. So as we already told, the Appium client libraries has different language bindings like Ruby, Python, Java, JavaScript, PHP, C Sharp, and even Robot Framework. So all these languages are supported by Appium's client library. So based on that, the Appium is actually working. So this is the very simple introduction of the architecture of Appium, right? So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a very great day.